My name is Jordan Hollinger, and a STEM topic that I'm passionate about is calculus as a whole. But today I just wanted to talk about motion in terms of calculus. So this unit for me was kind of hard at first, but once I finally understood the concepts, I grew to enjoy it, and it ended up becoming one of my favorite units. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the um, like how a function can move in terms of calculus. So we start with the position, usually given to us as p of t in a word problem. So an example of this would be 4t cubed minus 3t squared. So to find the velocity of the position of the function, you have to use power rule for this one because you're subtracting two functions. To use power rule, the essence of power rule is basically you're multiplying the coefficient of the function by its exponent and then subtracting 1 from its exponent. So to do that, we start with 4t cubed and we multiply the 4 by the 3 and then subtract 1 from its exponent, leaving us with 12t squared. Do the same thing for 3t squared. So that's how you find the velocity. You do the same thing for the acceleration. Now, a way that I like to remember velocity, acceleration, and position is by creating a step stool in my head. So the first thing we always start with is position, then velocity, and acceleration. So in motion problems, t represents time. So time can be seconds, minutes, hours, because something is changing over time. The position is where something actually is. The velocity is how fast the position changes over time. T equals time. The acceleration is how fast the velocity changes over a given time. So with all of this, in my opinion, velocity is the most important thing because you can do so much with it. You can find out if a particle is moving left at a given time. You can find out if the particle has stopped at a given time. But they're all important, really, because you can find out if the speed is increasing or decreasing. So overall, this is my favorite unit because of the contextualization of the actual calculus, because you can use it in word problems. So if you want a more in-depth explanation of this, you can check out my video on it. And thank you.